In this video, I'll show you the G4BP Lighting Overhaul makes GTA 4 look sharper and more realistic. Check my video description for this mod link. Select the download option and wait for 10 seconds. Select the download now option. After download done, select this folder icon, right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Just close tab here. Right click on the game on the desktop and select open file location. Before doing this, you need to back up your game. Just copy and back up it like this, and then drag and drop all these files inside the game folder. Replace the file in the destination. Now you can launch the game. I will show you before and after comparison. You can easily compare with mod and without mod. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.